What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make a comparison between Air Jordan Luka 1 Signal Blue. So let's find out where is the difference. As you can see here on the first marking area, on the authentic it's placed right in the middle, but look at the fake here, it's a little bit go down. Also this one, you can see the line here, it's a little bit go down. According to the authentic, there's a gap here, there's a much gap, but look at the fake, it's too close with the midsole. Also the blue, the color is darker on the fake than the authentic, and you can see here less speckles on the midsole than the authentic. The authentic has more speckles here. This one is touching the midsole, the line here, the cable here is touching the midsole. Also this one less speckles and it's too close with the midsole. The color of the outsole is like a blue, but look at the authentic is white, and this one also is too much speckles on the authentic here, the black dots, but look at the fake here. Also the blue color is darker, way more darker than the authentic. And this one also, you can see here slightly to the left on the marking area, but look at the authentic here. And also this one is less speckles on the fake. Moving to the other side of the shoes, just like the other colorways here, on the authentic is right to the corner. The black line, the black layer here is right to the corner here, but look at the fake here is slightly to the left. It's not connect with the outsole here. It should be right to the corner here. Also this one is slightly to the right than the authentic here. And also the letter here, on the authentic there is a gap between the letter and the stitching here, there is a gap, but look at the fake, there is no gap here. Looking from above here, you can see the Luka Doncic logo, but there is a holes, many holes here, but look at the fake, there are no holes. Also the Jordan logo here, there is a gap between the Jordan logo and the stitching, but look at the fake, there is no gap. Moving to the back of the shoes, you can see on the heel counter, on the midsole here, there is a little bit speckles on the fake than the authentic. You can see the authentic has a lot more speckles. Look at the outsole here. You can see the Jordan logo, the direction is different on the fake. And this one, there is a little bit gap between the Jordan logo and the outsole here, but look at the fake, there is no gap here. So alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question and request, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so this channel can grow and I can make another video for you guys. So see you on the next video.